welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make use of the scalp massager for hair growth. Scalp massagers are good for shampooing and massaging, of course. Scalp massagers increase blood flow around the scalp, which aids hair growth. As you can see in this video, I'm going to be making use of my scalp massager to wash my hair. Scalp massager is more effective and it works better than using your fingers to wash your hair. As you can see, the silicone there helps to aid blood flow around the scalp, which aids extreme hair growth. So if you want to have extreme hair growth, it's important to get one of these for yourself. Scalp massager helps and it keeps it healthy, and the silicone right there helps to lift up those dead skin and dirt that have been sitting on your hair. It works better than fingers, trust me. So as you can see, I'm running through my whole hair with the scalp massager. This is going to ensure that every part of my hair is washed. Yeah, so this is me. I keep doing it. Yeah, I keep doing it. You know, I love hair. Like, I love my hair to grow longer, and my hair is just 1 year plus, I think. So I use it a lot. I think I use it for like 8 minutes or so. I kept brushing and massaging. I'm like, no, this hair must grow. So yeah, so you use it and run through your hair, and you go ahead and wash off your shampoo and apply your conditioner, wash it out, and then that's it. Washed my hair, and woo hoo hoo, I play too much, don't mind me. So guys, after that you go, oh my god, after that you go ahead and dry your hair. So after drying my hair, you see me with one oil. Yeah, main choice. I love this oil. This oil aids my hair. It helps my hair a lot, and I use it together with mango and lime, papaya, black castor oil, and I pour it through my hair like so. And before using my scalp massager, I love to use my fingers to circulate the oil like so. That's after applying the main oil. I apply my mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil. Guys, if you want to know where I got it from, I'm going to leave the link down below my comment box. And also, you could get these oils from me. I sell them. So guys, if you want extreme hair growth, why don't you call upon me? Gosh, don't mind me. So no, mind me, like, please. So I run the oil through my hair by sectioning my hair and making sure the oil gets around my head. Yeah, so as I'm applying the oil, you can see that I'm trying to massage it in so that at least the oil will be on my scalp before I start making use of my massaging brush. And then I use my hair clamp. That's when my hair is disturbing me. And hey, I sell that as well. So I'm going to drop my link down the description box so you can know how you could contact me and get it. The scalp massager hydrates your scalp and reduces the likelihood of breakage. Yeah, and it is very important if you want to grow your hair. If you want to grow your hair, make sure you avoid certain things like always braiding, and not knowing how to take care of your braids could lead to breakage. So to avoid such, try as much as possible not to braid your hair and then keep changing style. No, it damages the hair. So I run the oil through my hair and make sure it gets to every part of my scalp. It's very important. And also, I forgot to remind you, it's very important to wash your hair in twists, especially when you have 4C hair, all those tangles. You don't want to you won't want to have to experience them. So I love to twist my hair first before washing it, because if I wash it that way, it will be very hard to comb, especially when you don't have the tangler. detangler. I also have detanglers, so please do not forget to chat me up so I could sell some to you. They are all very affordable. So I massage the oil into my scalp, and then yay, I bring in my scalp massaging brush, and I just like so, you know, I mean, blood, please flow, flow. My hair must grow. God, I'm so playful. But yeah, that it's very important, and I massage it little by little. I make sure I massage every part of my head. You get, so that this blood is going to flow. I mean, this blood must flow. I mean, my hair must be long. Yeah, so guys, it's very important to make use of this because it increases the blood flow around your scalp, and this is going to help extreme hair growth. If you want to have extreme hair growth, it's very important you are committed. You can massage your scalp every day, especially if your hair is, if you didn't, yeah, even if your hair is in braids, I mean, you can still massage your head. Try and do it every day. You could try the inversion method. I do that after. You could try the inversion method after massaging your scalp, maybe with hot oil treatment. You could just lay your head upside down so the blood can flow. So guys, scalp massaging is very important. I hope this video will help, or I hope it helps. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to share to your friends so they could know the importance of scalp massaging. Thank you. After all, look at the hair I made. Yummy. I mean, who doesn't want a hair to be yummy? Thanks guys. Bye.